So we're going to test for carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are made up of monosaccharides, and they provide you with short-term energy. The way you do a carbohydrate test is to use iodine. If iodine turns, or when you drop the iodine on and it turns black, that means it's positive for carbohydrates. If it remains an amber color, that means it is negative for carbohydrates. So we're going to test your beverage A, B, C, water, which is going to be your negative control, and then the positive control is going to be cornstarch. So that will turn black in the presence of carbohydrates when we put the iodine, the indicator, on it. All right, so we're going to start. We're just going to put 4 drops of A in our A well. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put all my drops in first, and then I'll add the iodine. So now we're going to do B. And we'll put in C. Our water, which is our negative control. And then we will add our positive control. All right, we're going to add the iodine, the indicator. So remember, it will turn black in the presence of carbohydrates. So on your lab, you're going to indicate in the chart if it turned black or remained an amber color. And then you have to write down if that is positive or negative for carbohydrates. So we're going to add 4 drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see when I add the indicator, it automatically turned a color. So it turned black, so in this case that would mean that it would have carbohydrates. You can use your controls too to sort of match up your samples. We know that this cornstarch has carbohydrates and it turns black, so you can match up your positive control with your other samples to indicate whether or not it has carbohydrates. You can match up your negative control with your other samples to determine if it has carbohydrates or not. So that's your carbohydrate test.